I'm Saeed and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to talk about the Wi-Fi 6 compatibility test on this IQ7 device, as you can see friends. So I did plenty of videos on the connectivity with the IQ7 by comparing with other smartphones. Even I did a video on the Wi-Fi 6 as well, but in this we'll try to demonstrate live proof, so whether the phone will be able to support or not. The only way to test whether the phone will be able to support or not by comparing with the other smartphone, so which is a Poco X3 I have right now, which is a mid-range segment mobile phone, so which is not supported with the Wi-Fi 6, and which is the MI Linux device where it will definitely support the Wi-Fi 6, which there is an option in the settings as well. But the middle phone, which is IQ7, which is a lot of users are confused. So that is the reason why I selected the phone which doesn't have Wi-Fi 6 and which has Wi-Fi 6, and then we'll be able to compare with the IQ7 whether there's a Wi-Fi 6 or not. That is the reason why I did this kind of in-depth comparison video, friends. And these are requests which were asked by a few of the subscribers as well, asking me to do this kind of video, as you can see, friends. So many viewers, they did comment under my videos regarding the Wi-Fi 6. So I thought of making a video on this topic. So this will be clarifying all the doubts for a lot of other users who are having the Wi-Fi 6 issue, whether it's present or not. So first thing, let's talk about the Wi-Fi 6. The only reason why a lot of users concerned about the Wi-Fi 6 is because the speeds in the Wi-Fi 6 will be really high. That is the reason why the speeds are really important for the Wi-Fi 6 compatibility device as a future-proof option. And the other reason why a lot of users really confused whether the phone is supported with the Wi-Fi 6 or not, because there is no Wi-Fi 6 information which is displayed in the connectivity specifications of this IQ7. As you can see in the official website, I'm trying to see the specifications of the phone. So there is no Wi-Fi 6 mentioned in the specifications. As you can see, there is only 2, and even in the GSM arena as well, so they did not mention any kind of Wi-Fi 6 number here, as you can see. But whereas in the MI Linux website, they did mention this kind of Wi-Fi 6 in their official website, as you can clearly see, friends, in the MI site. So that is the reason why a lot of users, they're really confused. So it is a video for you all. So let's get started, friends. And first thing is that you won't find any kind of Wi-Fi 6 option which is present in this phone in the IQ7 device. So even if you type the Wi-Fi 6, you cannot find any settings at all. So there is no option and there is no indication of the Wi-Fi 6 present. But in the MI Linux device, so there's a one option, friends, which is really interesting. So you let me to go to the portable hotspot. So in the MI Linux device, so whenever you try to switch on the portable hotspot in the MI Linux, as you can clearly see, so there's an option which is called the standard 6th generation standard. As you can see, you can generate the hotspot in the Wi-Fi 6, as you can clearly see, friends. So that is what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to use the MI Linux as a Wi-Fi 6 router right now, as you can clearly see, friends. So this MI Linux will pass the Wi-Fi 6 signals. So now whatever the phone which is supported with the Wi-Fi 6, they will be able to receive and they will be able to show you the high speeds. So that is the reason I selected 2 phones without Wi-Fi 6 and with Wi-Fi 6, and which is kind of doubtful for a lot of users. So let's see right now. Let me try to go to Wi-Fi setting. I'm trying to connect to this MI Linux device. So you should be able to see that MI Linux coming here. Let's see, friends. Let me try to refresh. It's not getting, so let me try to turn off and turn on. So let's see what will happen right now. And right now it got turned off, and yes, MI Linux is here. Let me to tap on the MI Linux and it's connected. As you can see right now, it's connected, friends. And one more thing, you don't get any indication saying the Wi-Fi is kind of Wi-Fi 6 standard. So the reason why I'm saying that, kind of highlighting that kind of point, so it's because, let me try to show you. So in the other smartphones like the Realme X7 Pro and few of the UIs, they will display which standard is a Wi-Fi. So don't worry about that. But we need to check the Wi-Fi info. Only then you will be able to know whether the phone is actually supported with the Wi-Fi 6 or not. Go to the settings and try to scroll down. And here you can see the transmit link speed is of 1200 Mbps. As you can clearly see, friends, 1200 Mbps. So these with the Wi-Fi 6 which I'm trying to do. So right now here is a Poco X3. So here's a Poco X3 which clearly doesn't support the Wi-Fi 6 at all. But you can connect to that Wi-Fi, but you cannot use that kind of high speeds. So let me try to show you the quick example. So right now let me try to connect to the MI Linux. So as you can clearly see, friends, the MI Linux is successfully connected. Let me try to go to the settings and show you the link speed. As you can see, so link speed is limited to 866. So overall, friends, I think the IQ7 phone supports the Wi-Fi 6 without any problem. So in case if the phone is not supported with the Wi-Fi 6, I should be able to get this kind of transmit link speed same like the other smartphone, as you can clearly see, friends. So there is a difference, and this is how I did find out that the IQ7 phone was able to support Wi-Fi 6 completely, 100% without any doubt. But you should have the router to provide that kind of Wi-Fi 6 signals as well. And in this case, I did use the MI11X as a router, as a sample. That is the reason I selected. And one more quick thing. So in every Wi-Fi 6 smartphone, there's an option which says the 6th generation standard, as you can see in the portable hotspot. Let me try to show you the example live. So by opening the OnePlus 9R, so here is a OnePlus 9R. So each has a Wi-Fi 6 standard in the Wi-Fi hotspot. You can clearly see. And is a Realme X7 Pro. So let me try to show in the Realme X7 Pro live. So you will be able to see what's the difference. So portable hotspot, let me try to click. As you can see, friends, so Wi-Fi 6 hotspot in the Realme X7 Pro. So all the devices, whatever they are having the Wi-Fi 6, somehow they'll be they did display that Wi-Fi 6 is there, but in the IQ7 device there is no option at all which is displaying the Wi-Fi 6, or you can use the standards in this Wi-Fi hotspot as well. There is no option at all to select the Wi-Fi 6 as well, as you can clearly see. So maybe in the future updates they might be able to fix that issue. Maybe, I think so, because other phones are doing and other US are doing. That is how I'm trying to compare. But overall, the final conclusion is that the phone is supported with the Wi-Fi 6, so no need to worry at all. And one more thing, absolutely the IQ7 phone will be able to experience with the high speeds Wi-Fi connectivity without any problem. So you should have the really good router and very latest generation router, mainly because in my case my router is very old, so that's why my phone was unable to pick the maximum link speed. That is a video which I'll be uploading very soon, and make sure to watch that video, friends. You will get to know more idea. And here is the MI11X comparison as well in terms of the connectivity. So there are a lot of users, they did ask me regarding the Wi-Fi 6, so that's why I thought of making this video which clearly demonstrate the IQ7 phone as a Wi-Fi 6 compatibility. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to subscribe and hit that like in case if this content is kind of helpful for you. And in case if you have any other doubts regarding the IQ7 device, so make sure to comment. I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible on the same day itself of your comment. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.